Hi everyone, and welcome to another training video from the Technology Training Department at the conference. In this training video, we're going to be looking at how to use the Immersive Reader in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Let's begin. So, whether you need to multitask or want to enhance your reading experience without a lot of web clutter, a built-in feature of the Microsoft Edge web browser will allow you to do just that. Simply launch Microsoft Edge, double click the shortcut on my desktop, and go to your website of choice. In this case, we'll go to tndagc.org. In the upper right hand corner, as well as you have some shortcut keys on your keyboard, we'll want to click the three dots, which are your settings and more, and go down to read aloud. I will click the read aloud button. Now I went ahead and paused the player from launching. I will note that you do have a few options. In the upper right hand corner for voice options, you can adjust the speed to slow things down or speed things up. You also have options for additional voices, whether they will read the page in the language that the web page is currently viewing. However, you can have an accent or a different voice rather than what's currently selected. So have fun with that. Let's go ahead and launch the player.
General Conference. The Tennessee District Attorney's General Conference was created by the General Assembly in 1961 to provide for a more prompt and efficient administration of justice in the courts of this state. The conference is composed of both the District Attorneys General from the state's 31 judicial districts and this office, the Office of the Executive Director.
Okay, we'll pause that. Next, so I'm sure once I show you the viewing of the PDF that we're going to use the Edge browser to use the read aloud feature, it will be a lot more specific and a lot more in detail. Whereas I'm sure you can see that if you are needing to multitask, or if you just want to sit back and listen to the text be read to you, simply launch it from a website. I am going to open a new tab. I'm going to drag and drop a PDF right into the browser, and we will use read aloud for this option as well. Now, when you drop a PDF directly into Edge, you'll notice that it creates the toolbar. That's primarily because this is a PDF. There are some additional things that you can do with it. So read aloud is not the only thing that it can do. Let's go ahead and launch this, and you'll see some of the differences that are installed with and utilized with a PDF versus going to a website and using it.
Copyright 2018 by Microsoft Corporation. All rights reserved. No part of the contents of this book may be reproduced or transmitted in any form or by any means without the written permission of the publisher. This book is provided as is and expresses the author's views and opinions.
Okay, so you can see that it grayed out every other area on the PDF, therefore giving us more of a focused view of the text that is being read and directed to us. So just a couple things to keep in mind if you're very busy and you need to have something read to you while you do something. Sort through paperwork, do a variety of additional things. Just hopefully give you a way to kind of get caught up on a few things while you listen to text or website being read directly to you. Well, this completes our training video on the Immersive Reader in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.